So guys, I started with 3 braids, but in total I used 7.5. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and you already know it's all natural Candice here again. And as you can see, my ear mad. So I'm gonna try do a hairstyle today, and I'm going to try and braid my hair, knotless braids. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna like to pray for me because I don't know how this is gonna go. So yeah, and one more thing. I don't play hide and seek, I don't know, because I can't take the cussing and them something, so I'm come back for good now. I'm come back for good. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to like I have everything all juice, you know, come eat already. So I have a drink, you know, and it can share. So I buy this yesterday. Honey beeswax for help hold my hair. I don't know if it will work, but you know it says natural. Seeded seal. So I show me at that. Them say it natural, see there, but they try it. Well, but I use my mother here. So I did my mother here. I'm going to be showing you pictures maybe now or later. So yeah, and I have a tail comb. You see, my edges video I did have another tail comb, but I do the edges video, put the tail comb on my dresser. When we refuse the tail comb, I can't find it. So the tail comb just disappeared. Oh, that sound. That not sound right though. Don't know the tail comb there. I'm gonna have some elastic and scrunchy for catch up my ears, see me? And I have the hair. I don't know how much I'm gonna do it. This is kanekolone. This is kanekolone braid. So I have 3 of them. I have 3 of them, you get me? And I have a crochet needle to do my hair. So I'm going to be using the crochet method. When I did my mother hair, I did not use this method. But I used like just normal plaiting. But when I tried this morning with my hair, but she said that not gonna work for me. So I have to use something else, you get me? So yeah, I'm having my toothbrush. I don't have the care today because I don't want it dry. My ear in one other direction. Because then it's a friend for now. So yeah, and that's basically it. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. Like, so I'm going to come back and I start my ear. Yeah, and it's long, brother. Like, it's long. So I'm not going to show you how I do it until I reach at the front because many things I can explain from the back. So I reach at the front, I'm showing, but let's show you the look of progress with me and me. So I'm going to look for it. Yeah, I'm going to make my other part of my ear. So yeah, and I soon come back to most can reach off by today. I know me a slow boat China, but I just learn. And I like to plait them good, like look. I learn that thing, you see me? So guys, I'm just showing you the progress. Yes, I was just showing you guys the progress. So guys, I'm taking out the hair. Yes, and I couldn't find the scissors. The scissors just never do it for me there right there. So and the something sting like it's hot, but it still did pull out, so it still worked even though it did hot. So you must stretch the hair and pulling out the other scrunchies. Like when you buy a braid, you get a lot of scrunchie, I'm telling you. So we just stretch the hair so that the end won't pull out, and for it to be longer, of course. So guys, I part out some of the hair and put the rest in my lap. Yes, you can put it anywhere you want. Just make sure that it's not going to knot up. So now, me put in the crochet needle and swear things that is something not gonna work. Cause I have it on camera now. It not work. But I still a show you. You see me? So I show you what I do. Push in the crochet needle, draw it through, and then pull one end and then plait it. And so that me did that do, but there's something that give me a hard time, me I tell you no. It give me a hard time, make me have headache. I just want to fight it. I don't know. I just want to fight it. I just keep calm, you know. I just keep calm. I don't want to fight the crochet needle. So guys, I continue to plait it, and as I tell you already, the ear tastes bad, but I did have to put it in my mouth anyways because it's too long and I never have nothing to hook it on for continue to plait it. Yeah. So right here, so now guys, I part my hair out. Yes, and I comb it out and I'm putting some of the beeswax on my hair so that the baby hairs can come together with the hair when I'm plaiting it. So just look how the comb I drop. So I'm going to plait my hair. So guys, I finished plait my hair. So now I'm going to push the crochet needle in the middle of the plait. Yes, and I'm going to put the hair on it and draw it through. So just look. Watch how the comb are going with itself. So you see that hook right there? Yes, you're going to close it with that and draw it through. Just like that. Then I'm going to pull one end
Time is running out, and I can't stop it. Our love ain't fine, and I am burning. There is no light if you are far from me. What can I do if I don't see you again? I'm not crazy, I am just as scared. So baby, please don't go, 'cause I will miss you.
Guys, I finally finished wearing my ear, and may I go trim it up. So this is the next day, and may I go trim it up because it want to trim up and all of them something there. Yeah, and hot water it and do what I have to do. So yeah, I'm so sure. So I have look at edges and then sitting there. Yeah. So may I go trim it up. Me, I'll go trim it up. Me, I'll go trim it up. Alright, so go back. Alright, so what me I can do is like do this. Well, I saw me always do it. When people ask me what you want them here, like hold it up. Any ear where I'm gonna show you. Any ear where come out, you trim them out. You see? Skilly bang. People not see with me because I don't know say I have no sense. Suppose I cut my arm. You can trim it up as hard as you want. And make hot water it so if everything don't trim up properly, when it's hot water, it will go later. You see, when I'm done, when I go see bread I like. I'm going to man, trim them whole by whole. Because we don't have time for this. I'm braiding take long enough people like one day. If you don't dedicated, it take you 2 days or more. That's why it's just that they want to get so much money. And I think maybe just again. Because this is look my time. You saw the end them cock off. When I hot water it will go lay down. Because it's ready for sleep. When I hot water it will go sleep. Understand what I say? It will go sleep. Until I'm ready for pull it out. Early morning, maybe this night, you know, so we should have gone to church. Because we nearly cut the ear. Yeah, Candice food. I'm post video then tell me say I don't have no space. So, I have to, you know, go delete some sitting. Go delete some sitting here today. People, when you can wear anything, say, you know, just twist up your light and go along with go. When you don't listen to me, but yeah. So, I'm going to do the recipe and come back to you because the video long. Yeah, I do the recipe and come back. So, my friend, yeah, me I come back and show you when me I boil hot water and when me I hot water my ear. So, yes guys, bye bye. Bye bye. So guys, I finished trimming my ear and you can just look and see say it trim. Like I could have just wear it so but it still need more things to do, so I'm gonna hot water this here. And guys, me I go hot water my ear now. So I just 2 times, 2 parts. So over here, I get hot water over this one. When I say steel, I don't know all this stuff. So I put my ear in there. Guys, please don't make it bone, no? If you bone, I'm sorry. If you bone, no? I can't help you. Woo! Jesus! That's how you make it about me. So I have a towel. Where? Here I go. Yours. Jesus Christ. People don't do this at home. So I'm supposed to hold it with the towel, you know me? So I hold it with the towel. I feel it through the towel, you know, but not really because the towel is thick. You see it here come out of me, you don't make sure I put it on my face because it's not come on me. Boy! Alright, so it I get one more. Alright, wanna see the end? Oh, it's nice now. It hot enough? No, sir. We're not putting in no more time. Alright, so we go to the next side now. Because this hot. Next side, ready? People gonna make it bun, you see? If you ever make it bun, I'm not even gonna make it anymore if you don't come as this. You have to know me, I tell you say it hot. What you not believe me, it hot. Over here so look nice though. Over here so look nice though. Talk truth. I use all the bucket, isn't it? Boy. I think I have to add one more time. So, now go back over the side there. It's that bone with the side, I go along so. But, when I take out it, the eater come to me head. When you see the eat, talk truth. When you see there's something like a bun me, I don't know, so I don't know. I don't. It a bun my hand. It a bun my hand. It a bun me. Why? It a bun me. I come out tight. I'm sure you say it a bun me for true. And I'm not lying me, I tell you. Alright. Don't go away from me. Walk over this way. So, what can I say? Like that, bring it back. Alright. So, what can I say, my ear now? Why? What can I say? It's like this one. What can I say, my ear now? Hot water. So, when just look quite nice now. I got it one more time. I got bun now. People, you have to get bun when you have hot water on here. But they still come out of it, so you know it's still hot. I mean, hot water up at the top to go free. Kind of free for that. So, she wanna how me I got do it, you see me? So, I think the way I get out of back. This look at it about me. I'm on there small. It a drip. It a drip. It a drip. It a drip. So. Now I do it again. Done. Done. I'll finish. Finish. Kita buangnya an. the hot water over here, so. I'm gonna see water flash out time here. Look how much of the people in this one. Yeah. Ear done. Ear done. Ear done. Talk to me. Ear done. Ear nice. So, I'm done. So I have this small towel now. A small towel here. I'm gonna put it in so. And ring it, and put it on your up here so up there so you can lay. So, I'm done. So I'm gonna go fix up my ear, do my edges and everything, and come back, come show me my hairstyle of a buzz. My hairstyle of a buzz. So, let's come back.
She loves me when I'm jobless. She loves me when I'm wrong. Even when I don't need love. Yeah, she loves me like damn. Like damn, damn, damn.